Are you a victim of fake food? You may think you're good at spotting empty calories or processed foods, but there could be a few imposters hiding in your pantry or fridge. Join us today as we uncover the truth about fake food and discover how to make healthier choices. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to stop eating fake food and get real. What is real food? Let's start by understanding what real food really means. Real food is 100% what you think you're getting, free from additives, preservatives, and pesticides. It includes organic fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. For meat and seafood, opt for wild-caught, grass-fed, or pasture-raised options. Whole grains should be 100% whole, and beans and legumes should come in BPA-free cans. Choose organic herbs, spices, and unrefined sweeteners. Real food replenishes your body, providing essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to restore your energy and health. The truth about fake food. Now, let's take a closer look at the fake foods that may be filling your plates without your knowledge. According to Business Insider, food fraud is a staggering $50 billion industry. It's time to be vigilant and spot these imposters. Some examples include pseudo-meat products, counterfeit Parmesan cheese, adulterated teas and honey, and even fraudulent seafood. It's time to get real. Are you ready to make a change? Here are a few steps you can take to embrace real food and clean eating. Keep a food diary. Start by keeping a food diary. Documenting what you eat will help you identify the real foods versus the unhealthy ones. Over time, you can eliminate the fake foods from your diet. Take an inventory of your pantry. Review what you currently have in your pantry and fridge. No need to throw everything away. This exercise will give you insight into the work ahead. Transitioning to real food should be a gradual change. Over the coming weeks and months, start replacing fake foods with whole foods. Read your labels. Pay close attention to the labels on prepackaged foods. You'll be surprised by the ingredients lurking in your favorite condiments, sauces, and snacks. Plan ahead and prep. Plan your meals and prepare in advance whenever possible. Starting out, eating real food might be a challenge as you explore new recipes and flavors. Plan your meals for the week, and identify which ones you'll prepare in advance and which ones you'll whip up on the fly.